Today I feel comfort to say something. During the difficult times of the party, during movement and struggle, you did not find many people beside us. Some were sick, some were in Dhaka, some did not answer calls using charge excuses they stayed away at us. You spent time our own pocket, even took loans. You organized programs, stayed in the field, and in got the clear of police. You had no time to look at anyone. You were there only for the party, but today, in the good times of the party, those leaders can be found. But when you call, they don't receive. When you go in friend, they avoid us. Let me make one thing clear. You never asked anything from you and you never will. Just one questions. You were there in the hard times of the party. Where are you today in our hard times? If you think you can stand with us, extend your hand. And if you think you can, that's okay. You know how to fight our own but loss, inshallah.